Hello, welcome to Blessings, Aroma and Beauty. And in today's video, I'm gonna be making lemon cake. And this lemon cake is super quick to make, easy. It doesn't take time at all. So, shall we? Let's get started. And here I have butter. Please look for healthy butter, okay? Thank you. And I'm just gonna mix all the ingredients together. I'm adding my sugar as well, so it's pretty much like that, adding all the ingredients together, and then you are so good to go. And now that I'm done mixing all the ingredients together, it's time for baking. So I'm gonna transfer the batter to the pan and then ready to go. And ta-da! Oh yes, did you see the cake? This is lemon cake, okay? This right here is super yummy, fluffy, and also really delicious. So you cannot go wrong with this, okay? And please make sure you check out my other videos as well, okay? Do you see how fluffy this is? Super quick to make. It doesn't take much time at all. And I'm just gonna spread some powdered sugar on top, and we are all set, ready to eat, ready to enjoy. You are invited, okay? Welcome to Blessings, Aroma and Beauty. Make sure you turn on the notification button so you'll be the first to watch my new videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Please help your girl grow this channel. Share the videos and also Well, after you finish watching, please give a like, okay? Leave a comment. Thank you. God bless you all for your love and support. I'm really, really, really grateful. And look at how soft and fluffy this is. Oh, yes, you are so on point. Have a great day.